Just had a short video to post to YouTube. My first time ever. Actually posting a real video of my face. Um, I don't know if anybody knows this, but have they found a cure for cancer yet? Or anything that actually would prevent cancerous cells from forming? And if so, definitely share that with the world because if you can prevent cancer or any type of cancers, or know in the state of California, basically, all these little types of materials that are known to be carcinogenic and cause cancer and stuff, what does cause cancer? Maybe you should probably stay away from that material. You know, like people started telling people to use more protective equipment when uh, discarding asbestos. You know, that was a thing that causes mesothelioma. So hard of a word to pronounce. I think it's just full of shit. No, it's actually a real live something that you can get in your lungs. It destroys your lungs. I don't have any facts to check this, but you can just about see from the results from people that are affected by this. You know, mesothelioma is real, and it is caused by asbestos. Now, cancer, on the other hand, is very real, but if you knew what causes it, like we got P65 warning, you know, the propaganda 65 warning on just about every material comes in from China, from overseas, from America. We're using these materials, and are we not part of the solution? That means, guess what, people? We're part of the problem. And if we're just overlooking these certain materials that cause cancer, why are we not staying away from them? Why is there not a nationwide ban on them? Do we want cancer? I mean, do we want to increase the healthcare system? Are we paying the government to get sick? Are we paying these manufacturers to get sick and die of cancer? Cancer is not very funny. I really hope this reaches everybody as much as I can. I post it as much as I can, and just like and subscribe my video. Probably be the only one I do, because I'm holding a cell phone that's got a case on it that when it comes in contact with very long periods of time, it is also got a material in it that guess what, is got a P65 warning on it. Let that soak in just a little bit, guys. There's not a whole lot left. If you know what causes cancer and can prevent it, or put out these medical pharmaceuticals, or talk to a healthcare professional and they say don't do this or else you're going to get cancer, you can tell them you're full of shit, doc, because you don't know what causes cancer and you don't know how to prevent it. And the truth is, if you did know how to prevent it, you would have a cure or a vaccine. So, and that being said, talk to your healthcare professional all you want, but know that they are only human beings and they're only being fed information from other bigger people that they deem smarter and more intelligent. Intelligence comes in the form of action, not words, people. So, you know, if you're into a family that's got a person that's got cancer or has died from cancer, I really really hope that you know how to deal with it. Um, there is no way to prevent it. Any number of circumstances in the world, breathing, smoking, doing drugs, drinking the tap water has particulates in it. Drinking distilled water, where it doesn't act on your body's chemistry, could affect your body's chemistry and create a cancerous environment. So much stuff that can do this. It potentially could create an environment that is like a petri dish, basically, for this substance to grow in your body and create deathly cancer cells. So talk to your healthcare professional and actually ask them if they know a way to prevent cancer. So just like, I don't know, prep uh, some way of preventing it. We all know how to prevent sexually transmitted diseases. You know, if you want to go there, we all know how to prevent a car wreck to drive safely. We all know how to prevent driving into a brick wall at 200 miles an hour. You either don't get in the car or you drive responsibly. But cancer is something that we do not know how to prevent. We have no cure unless, well, you can throw money at most things and it'll go away like a band-aid. It doesn't really fully go away. I'm just saying this as everybody needs to be aware of this P65 warnings. And probably take action now. The only way to actually prevent cancer, nobody actually knows. You can reduce the environment that it might occur in, but as for prevention or vaccinations against cancer and cancer cells, let's leave that up to somebody that would actually know, and so they haven't been found yet. And if they actually did have a cure for cancer, the developer, would just go missing, or other shady stuff that big pharmaceutical companies don't want you to hear. Like, hey, we're going to put your business we're going to put your whole pharmaceutical company out of business because we're going to sell this for $1, and all your pharmaceuticals trying to prevent this, whatever this is, and the treatments and chemotherapy and life-taking medical procedures that shorten your life drastically and diminish your quality of life are going away. So if you guys actually had a cure out there, big business wouldn't be as big as it would be if, well, I guess that's all for now. I could go on for hours and hours. My old lady hates me when I do, but I'm actually right sometimes. If there was a cure or a way to prevent something from happening, when you, like, preventing running a stop sign. If you're running a stop sign, you're not preventing running a stop sign. But to do that, you have to put your brakes on and come to a complete stop. Prevention. It doesn't get any simpler than that. So, before I go over 10 minutes, I will let you know. Just check things out. before you act on them.